Testing. Hi there, guys. My name is Rohan, and today we are going to be talking about how refrigerators make ice. Today we're going to be talking about, well, have you ever wondered how refrigerators make ice? Well, let's say you're at a party, okay, or you're just in your house chilling, okay, and let's say you get thirsty and hey, maybe you have some soda, maybe, right? So you get your cup, okay, pour some soda, and hey, you want it to be more cold, right? So you go to your refrigerator, and some refrigerators have an ice dispenser, okay? So you put your cup into the lever and ice is dispensed out of it. But have you ever wondered, how does the refrigerator automatically make the ice for you? Okay, you don't need to input anything out or anything like that, but how does it just give it to you? Well, how it works is that the first thing that happens is that there is a water supply. Like most modern refrigerators, there's a water supply that is connected to the refrigerator, okay? Now basically this water supply is basically plugged into the refrigerator, okay? And there's an electric valve, okay, which basically controls how much water goes inside of the refrigerator into the ice tray. So the water starts in the water supply and the pipes goes up into goes through an electric valve, so it'll measure how much water should go in, and everything will be loaded into an ice tray. Once it's in an ice tray, it'll be sent to the freezer area of the refrigerator, okay? And due to the cold air, the water eventually turns into ice, okay? Now, in these, it turns into ice molds, okay? That's basically inside of the ice tray, normally the shape of a cube or some nugget or something like that, okay? So once the ice has been frozen fully, okay, what happens is that there will basically be a temperature sensor or a timer, okay, that happens. So once the timer goes out or the temperature sensor senses that it's cold enough and the ice has fully frozen, what happens is two things can happen. Either a metal heater or a metal finger, okay, or motorized finger basically go up, okay, and they push out onto the trays, okay, basically removing the ice blocks, and with the metal heater it heats it up enough so that it doesn't melt, but it loosens up the ice, okay, and then it is dumped into a storage bin, okay. So now while it's in the storage bin, there is a sensor to see if it's full or not. So if the sensor detects the storage bin is fully full, then it will stop dispensing ice into it. So once it's in the storage bin, there's basically a mechanical screw, okay? So what this, not mechanical, motorized, okay? So this motorized screw is connected to the lever. So you get your glass of soda, right? You push it in, and it basically activates the screw, which pushes in the ice from the storage bin, pushes it down into the shaft, and eventually out into the cup, okay? Now, some refrigerators are able to crush the ice for you if needed, but more or less, once you have your ice, it's now in your soda, then you can drink it and have a refreshing beverage. So that's basically how a refrigerator makes ice, and that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video and hope to see you next time. Bye bye.